Okay, so we're doing number 10. So what we have to do is we have to do P over Q, and then this is P, and then Q, anything that has an X has a 1 in front of it. So we're going to say that's a 1. So it's 6 over 1. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the factors of 6 on the top and the factors of 1 on the bottom. And then you divide it, so it's plus or minus 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, so then you have to do synthetic division, and you can pick any of the numbers to start off with. So let's just start with, I don't know, -2. So then you make your little box thing, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put the coefficients of all these numbers. So that's a 1, and then that's a 1, and then that's a 1. Oh, and then there's a 3, sorry, and then there's a -6. So then let's do synthetic division. So then you just bring down the 1, -2, 1 plus -2 is -1. And then you're going to take 2, that's 3, -6, -3, 6, and then you have 0. Oh, wow. -2 is an X value, yay. So then you just kind of highlight it. Okay, then what you do is, since it's not simplified enough, because if you look right over here, let's delete all that. Okay, because if you look over here, that's a 4, so you want to get it as simplified as possible, so that's going to turn to a 3, so then you're going to do x to the third, x to the second, x minus 3. So you want to simplify as much as you can. So then you're going to take all those numbers and just pick another random number. So let's just pick 1. I don't know. It might work. So then you do 1, -1, 3, and -3. So then you do the synthetic division all over again. Why is that playing right now? Okay. Oh, look at that. 1 is an x-intercept. Yay. Okay. So then you simplified it as much as you possibly can. Because remember how over here was to the third. Well, now you're going to subtract 1, so it's going to be to the second. Then plus 3. So now you have x to the second plus 3. And you're going to set it equal to 0. And then, what's that thing called again? Okay, whatever. I forgot what it's called. Square root property. Yes, square root property. Okay. So then you're going to subtract 3. So you're going to have x to the second equals -3. then you're going to take the square root of both sides. Okay. Sorry, x to the second equals plus or minus, and now you have to remember that anything that's like a -x is really I. So then you're going to take 3I. And then that's another x. So you have 1x over here, you have 1x over here, and then you have 2 x's over here. So that's 3 and 4. And look, oh, look at that. You need 4 of them, and you have 4. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to graph it. So let's just take this -2 and then graph -2. And then you have 1 and graph -1. I don't really know where plus or minus 3i is, so you could just kind of graph it. It'll go up, so you have to make sure. Oh, that was really bad. It'll go up, so you have to make sure that the arrows point up. And that is how you do number 10.